So first open your browser and search for Chrome extensions. Click on the Chrome Web Store and search for MetaMask. Select the first one and add it to Chrome. Now MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Now this icon is a bit funny, you can try to play with it also. So now create a wallet, now enter your passwords and all, and your MetaMask account will be created. Now remember the secret pack of phrase, it will be needed whenever you log in. You can use this QR code for logging into your mobile phone as well. Now click over here and change it to Rapston Test Network. Now click on buy and over here click on test faucet. You will get some free ether to test basically. So now request one ether from faucet, click on next and then connect. Now after some time you will get some ethers. I actually clicked multiple times, so I got 3 ethers. Now go to another tab and click and search Remix. Now click on the first one, Remix Ethereum IDE. I will delete all the folders and I will create a new folder with the name of the cryptocurrency we want to make. Now search for Consensus GitHub. I will give all the links below. So now search for token. Click on this tokens. Then go to contracts. Then EIP20. Then EIP20.sol. So now we'll copy the whole code from here and we'll paste it in Remix. We just have to change the name, this EIP20, to our name which we want to give to our cryptocurrency. Over here one and one over here, this function name. Now we'll copy this EIP20 interface.sol and we'll create a new folder with this name. Now we'll get back to our GitHub page and we'll get into EIP20 interface.sol and we'll copy the code from here, the entire code, and paste it over here. Now we'll compile the first Solidity code. So it's compiled now. Now we'll deploy it. So we'll change it to injected web3, and as soon as we do this, something will come over here and it will be connected to our MetaMask account. Now we'll be deploying it. So before deploying, just click on this arrow and click on the initial amounts that you want to generate, the name of the coin, the decimal units, and the short form that you want to keep is the token symbol. Then click on transact. And then it will ask you to confirm. And after some time it will get published. And yeah, you have now successfully created your first cryptocurrency. So now you can put your MetaMask address over here to see the balance you have. So you'll copy it from here. So go to this balance first and you have to put the address in between the inverted commas, double inverted commas, and click on call. And here you can see the balance you have that you have generated initially. So it's 100,000. You can also see the decimals that we have kept as 0 while creating. The name of the coin, it's written as with 2 actually. So here is the symbol, I have kept it as ITB, and the total supply which we kept at 100,000.